Hey, it's Christian with Christian's Property Maintenance. Today we're doing a little bit of maintenance on a property. We built the fence here and the little barn, or pole barn, for a friend of ours a couple years back, probably about 4 or 5 years ago. Now they're looking to make some extra room for another horse. I don't have an oscillating saw with me, so what I did is took my normal wood blade on my good old Milwaukee circular saw. Playing with a saw, take the battery out. So what I did was, went ahead and took my wood blade off, flipped the blade around, and now cuts polycarbonate vinyl, I guess that you would call it, the PVC stuff, real smooth and real easy. Looked all over YouTube this morning for different ways to be able to cut this stuff. We didn't have an oscillating saw, we don't have shears or anything like that here. So I figured, you know what, let's add something to YouTube today. It's the good old flip the blade trick. All right, so what we're using is 3-inch screws and 2 boards to hold this in place as a vise, so we can get this a nice clean cut. We're cutting through 12 sheets of polyvinyl carbonate roofing material. Should give you a nice clean cut without having to cut one by one with shears or using an oscillating tool. Found that this is the best way for us today. All right, so remember, measure twice, cut once. So we're gonna make sure this is perfect. We're gonna screw one side down. We'll measure the other side. There you go. Go to 2¼ All right, so we got our vise in place. We've made a little test cut right here on the edge, using our vise to hold it in place at 72 inches. Now you got a nice clean cut, no breaks in your poly. When you don't have an oscillating tool or anything else, just flip that blade around. Works like a charm. But before you replace the blade, take the battery out. Set it to the side, just in case. I do a little clickety click click, making sure this doesn't start spinning on you in the last second. It's Christian with Christian's Property Maintenance. That's how you cut these vinyl sheets without an oscillating saw or anything else. Just flip your blade backwards. Pretty easy. Don't have to buy a whole new tool. Like and subscribe. Come back for more from Christian's Property Maintenance. And if you have any better ways to do this that I haven't thought about or hadn't said on this video, make sure you put it in the comments.